Hello and welcome to this training. How to understand paid advertising before you invest in it. Several different paid advertising channels are well worth your money, but not knowing which is one are going to work best with your audience is a risk. You might stumble upon the perfect fit for your market, or you might use up your advertising budget on the wrong channels and not see any crazy conversions. If you know the playing field before stepping out into the game, will be better prepared to spend your money where it will be most valuable. For example, rather than spend a fortune with Google AdWords on broader keywords, spend your money on keywords your audience is actually going to search. One expert put it this way: it's important to remember that you are not necessarily looking for the highest traffic keywords. You are looking for the words that your customers use to look for you. You can save a lot of money and seem incredibly generous not spending extra on the most popular words, but on the words and the phrases that will be bringing the best traffic to your site. If you take the time to do your research, you will find more ways to save on paid advertising, using those ads to their best advantage and save yourself from making some common advertising mistakes.